Hi, this is Kluontola and welcome to Let's Code Jumi. For a long time I've had this test and the network layer and this thing sometimes failing, and I think that's then also influencing this end-to-end test. And I think now I finally found what was the problem. Here's an example of one of these flaky tests. The server doesn't get the disconnect event, and here is one instance of a test that failed due to that, but normally it should happen so that both the client and the server get this disconnected event, but in this case it got disconnect and the other got disconnected. So that was my hint, that what was the reason, and then when we then find that where is this string coming from. Oh yeah, I know it's from the logger. Not there, it's here, and this logger, and then here, and then let's see where is that message coming from. Here. Yeah, well, I did see it at some point that where that message was coming from. Oh yeah. Okay, here we have some of these that's disconnected. This is an upstream channel event, and then in the downstream event here's the thing. One of those is disconnect and the other is disconnected, and in Netty it has this pipeline thing, and some of the events that are going out from the client, I think they are downstream, and then those that are coming towards your code, they are upstream. And for some reason, when this server requests the disconnect, then sometimes it fires this event, and sometimes meaning that it was requesting for that event to happen, and other times it gets notified that it was disconnected from outside, and it's probably some threading issue, but I don't know Netty so closely that what could the problem be. But now that I know that, then the fix will be to I have two ideas for a fix. One is that I listen for one of these, for example these open and close events, because I'm not directly requesting it to be closed, I'm only requesting it to be disconnected. So that appears to come every time, or then in the handler I override this other disconnect requested method like this, and And now I better write a comment about this. Okay. And now that should be fixed. And then let's write today's date in here, so that I will then remember if this did not happen for a long time. And let's see then. Remove all the logging that the tests had. Okay, now, oh yeah, needs to be false, and let's see if the logging goes away. Okay, I still have these things printed here. And I should still also have in the end-to-end test something, probably. Okay, now the core doesn't anymore have that logging. Then let's see about this network. Is this too much logging? I don't, maybe. I think it was here, yes. Disable the logging like that. And let's see, I think there's still that server. I don't like those flashing in my eyes. Now. Okay, we have that there. Okay, it's only used in there one place. Okay, now it's not anymore used. Then let's run the end-to-end tests to see that it's not anymore printing those things on the server side. Yeah, those looks are nicer to read. And I'm not implementing this anywhere. Yeah, well, it's coming from that daemon, I suspect. Yeah, well, I don't think we need to have any special handling for that, as long as it gets the disconnected event. And that's printed in logs, so it's okay for us. Now okay. I think that was the reason why it was giving that warning. Yeah. I don't have any logging in here. Let's put that there. Then let's see which one of these has a nice to string. Okay, well that one has quite nice. Oh yeah, and then in here we should now be able to increase the timeouts. Yeah, okay, 3 seconds, that's good enough. I think at some point I had them longer. Let's see if I have in one of these places a longer timeout. No. Yeah, well, I don't think. Yeah, well. Let's keep that comment there. Maybe someday I will remember it and make a fix for JUnit. Or actually, let's write it on my to-do list. Like so. Now, if this doesn't anymore happen within a month or so, then I think I can consider it fixed. Now then, let's see, where was the thing that I was doing last? Oh yeah, it's these timeouts. Or the timeout utility class. This one I have some ideas how we can get rid of this ugliness that we have unnecessary threads being started, and then oh yeah, thought about some better names. Anyways, this timeout test, it should be renamed to be the same as the class that is testing, since this is a class level test and not a feature level test. Feature level tests are better, but sometimes these are easier to come up with, and I thought of a better name for this. Runnable is an implementation detail, but command is more of what it represents. And that's called command everywhere. Oh yeah, and now I can remove these ones. That one I fixed it, and here was another test failure. Let's see if this is the same one. Yeah, well, it doesn't have the logging enabled. Yeah, it's quite long name for a thread pool. Yeah, I think that's the same issue. If it happens again, then I will catch new thread dumps and logs from them. But now those are renamed, then we refactor this class so that it doesn't need to create this scheduled executor service. But since our time is up, let's continue here next time. Thanks for watching and see you soon.